So welcome back, friends, to my channel Healthpedia, the healthy lifestyle hub. Why we say healthy lifestyle hub, Healthpedia is basically it's a hub where you can get all the informations related to health, healthy lifestyle, to go through the wellness and what is the requirement of it and all those things. So friends, before I start this, I would like to again thank you all of you for your valuable feedbacks and comments which you have used, which you guys have shared in my previous introduction videos. So I've got lots of feedbacks, so thank you so much once again, and keep giving me these feedbacks so that I can improve on, and I can give the good contents in future. So friends, today we are going to discuss upon something very interesting, which is the human body organs, vital organs of human body. So basically there are 7 organs which are very important in human body, starting with brain, second one heart, third lungs, kidney, liver, intestine, and our and bladder. So these are the 7 organs which are very important in human body. But before we discuss, don't worry, we are going to discuss only one organ today, which is very important, which is our brain. But before we start, friends, let me tell you that there are many health related channels available on YouTube and other social media platform. But what is special about this channel and why I'm here with you, that I would like no I mean I will try to explain you whatever things I'm going to explain you will be in very easy and layman language. I will try to avoid the jargons and scientific language so that each and every people can understand. That's the reason we are also publishing this content in Hindi language, so that it can reach to masses and help the people. Okay, so starting with brain, like you guys know, it is a control system. It is a nervous system control system. It controls all the activities of body, and it is the most important organ of human body. Related to brain, if we keep our brain healthy, there will be many diseases, lifestyle diseases, which can be avoided, starting with if I'll tell you, the paralysis. Second one is brain tumor, brain clot, brain cancer, and there are many more, Alzheimer, and many things like that. You might have heard of many diseases like this. Okay, and these are the lifestyle diseases. What I mean by saying the lifestyle diseases is nothing but the diseases which we have taken by our own with the unhealthy lifestyle which we adopt. Speaking about the human body, in front of screen, what you can see now, this is the healthy system which is in front of you. This is what God has given us, but due to all the pollution and the control, the environment which is in front of us, and whatever the foods, chemical which we consume over here, so this converts our body, like you see in front of your screen. This converts our body in unhealthy system, and these are all things which you see in front of your skin. These are the toxins, and this is not done in one day, like you might have heard that many people gets most of the diseases after their 30, 35s or 40s. The reason being that this accumulated by day, by year by year, and after that it starts giving you reactions, and some of the diseases like heart attack and diabetes and stone and all those things. And coming back to our topic, the brain. Like if you want our brain to keep it healthy, there are many things which are suggested in wellness, starting with meditation. First and foremost thing, friends, that we have to get up early in the morning and at least take time to have 15 to 20 minutes of meditation in silent. Okay, second thing which is suggested, that have a breathing, the deep breathing. Yeah, like in front of my screen, by watching this video, you can stop, pause it for some time, and take 5 deep breathing, and you can feel the energy level after doing 5 deep breathing. So at least 8 to 10 times in a day you should start doing these 2 activities. Apart from, in terms of food, the health supplements which we can use, like in veg, if I tell you, the omega-3, overall in veg, non-veg, whatever contents we get, the omega-3 is the most important content for our brain. If we have the good content of omega-3, our brain will be healthy, and all the diseases which I told you in my past in last hour, so these things can be avoidable. Yeah, so omega-3 in veg sources you can get it in walnut, you can get it in flax seeds, yeah, and few more things which you can also search. In terms of non-vegetarian, the most important substance for omega-3 is fish oil, yeah, but I'm not talking about the normal fish what we normally consume. It's more in different types of fish like tuna fish, salmon fish, which are very rare and people normally does not consume it, maybe because this is very costly as well. But the problem here is many people don't know flax seeds. Hardly, I mean, 1 or 2% people might be having the walnut in their home, and that walnut, and if you're having flax seeds also, we really don't know how that has been cropped. I'm talking about the harmful chemicals and substances are used. If you ask me, the question here that do these things contains chemical? Yes, each and everything in today's world have chemical and harmful pesticides. To grow the crop more and more, to make more business, people use these chemicals. And instead of giving benefits to our health, these things gives adverse effects. So that's why I personally recommend, and I have taken good benefits out of it. The organization which I'm associated with, you guys already know, this is the Uniplus organization, omega-3, which you can see in front of your screen. There are two variants, one veg, one non-veg, and in terms of our organization, thousands of people have got benefit. In terms of personally, if I'll tell you, my daughter and many my friends and relatives have got benefit out of it. I will also try to put some videos across, and you can also, if you guys know personally and if you want, I can also forward you personally some videos which people have got effect, and they were facing problems like I told you, paralysis and other problems from several years, and they have got good benefits. This omega-3 bottle, or this capsules can also be present in medical store, but I really don't know how effective that will be. But yes, for Uniplus, I have personally, and many people around me have got good benefits. So friends, start using it, and keep your brain healthy, because health is wealth. Obviously, if we keep ourselves healthy and our body is healthy, then only we will be able to earn and progress in our life, and everything is related to health. So that's why we are talking over here. And so keep yourself healthy and take care of your health, yours and yours family. And yeah, if you like this video, please do share, help other people to know more about it in your friends and relatives and other people, and do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, friends.